Okay, here today we're going to talk about a cup holder. This right here, this 5-button cup holder, is one of our most popular cup holders for sure. We either sell it in black or we sell it in a silver finish. This is a 5-button because it controls both power recline and over here power headrest. It's a lighted cup holder, so good lighting. It also has a USB port that you can hide if you want to cover that up. But what we're going to show you as well as today is if something goes wrong with your power cup holder and it's not working, this is how you replace it. Now this cup holder, it's firmly in place, but it's actually, we don't screw it in place. The way you get this one out is you kind of just wiggle it back and forth. And as you wiggle it back and forth, a lot of times folks will pull it out and be like, hey, something's broken with my cup holder. I don't know what's wrong. I want to replace it. Now, we can surely help you to replace it. It's easy to do, but in order to replace it, actually, we got to take out the whole cabling. And you can't just pull it out to here. A lot of folks will just send it to us and say, hey, I want to replace just the end cable. It just has a little clip, 8-pin connection. But when we send it out to you, we're actually going to send you the whole kit, which is the inline junction box, this cable, and then the 2 cables, one that goes up to the power headrest up here, and then the other one that goes into the base motor. So we'll send you the whole package to easily replace this. You just have to flip the recliner up on its face to do it. But to get it out, you simply just wiggle it out, pull it out of place. When it's plugged in, you'll be back in action.